Hello, Chris Moylan here. Last time we learned about installing and setting up the command wing. This time, we're going to focus on using the command wing in combination with the Grandma 2 onPC software. Let's start by loading a show. Press the Backup button to open the Backup menu. Select the Demo Shows tab and then the Load Show button. From the list, select the Grandma 2 Start Show and confirm your selection with the Open button. Then, you can switch back to the internal hard drive and save the show under a new name using the Save Show As button. Now we're going to see how to patch a show. Close the backup screen and then open the Setup menu. Under the Show tab, select the Patch and Fixture Schedule menu. In this section, we will now install a few dimmer channels and a few moving lights. Once opened, a fixture wizard appears. The first step is to name the layer, for example, dimmer. In the Input Value section on the right side, select the fixture type 1, dimmer. Now enter the quantity of dimmer channels, for example 100, and close the wizard with the Apply button. Now in the Layers section, there are 100 dimmer channels listed by channel ID 1 through 100. Let's expand the patch by adding a few moving lights. In the Layer Overview on the left side, select New Field and then click the Add button. The wizard will start again and we can name the new layer. Next, we can import a new fixture type using the From Library menu. The MA Fixture library will open. Enter the name of a manufacturer into the filter, for example Claypaky. Select the Alpha Beam 1500 Standard Lamp On from the list. After importing it, enter a quantity and close the wizard using the Apply button. Now, in the Layer section, you will find the 12 Alpha Beam moving lights listed with the fixture ID 1 through 12. Close the patch and save your changes. Now we'll take a closer look on how to configure your screens. On screen 2, on the right side of the screen, you can switch between the views for channels or fixtures using the view keys. In the channel display, on the channel sheet, you will find the 100 patch dimmer channels. In the fixture display, on the fixture sheet, switch off the yellow backlit Programmer Only option in order to view all 12 moving lights with their functions. You can save the fixture view without the Programmer Only option by pressing the Store key and then the Fixture View button. With the Grandma 2, every screen can be personalized to only show you information that you want to see. Press the Clear button on the right side of Screen 2. Screen 2 should now be empty. Depending on where you touch the screen, a new window will be opened in a corresponding size. You specify the smallest window by touching the screen on the bottom right, or progressively larger windows up to the largest in the top left. Touch Screen 2 in the top left-hand corner. In the Selection window, choose the Playbacks tab and click on the Playbacks Big button. The new window displays the first 15 executors of the console. You can select further options for this window using the yellow ball on the top left. Now let's save this window on View 5 by pressing Store and then the empty View key 5. Now you can name your view, for instance Playbacks, and press Please. Now you can switch back and forth quickly between your saved views. We're working here with a command wing and a touchscreen. onPC comes loaded with special views specifically for this type of configuration. In the Others tab, there is an encoder bar and a command section view, which can be freely positioned and is a perfect match for the command wing hardware layout of the executors, the AB faders, and the 4 encoders. These views are ideal for use on external screens. Now we're going to take a look on how to automatically create and distribute presets in groups using the Auto Create function. To do this, open the Setup, Show, Auto Create menu and select the Group tab. In the Fixture Type section, select the dimmers and moving lights, which will then turn blue. Press the Create All button to create the two groups, All Dimmers and All Alpha Beams. Now select only the Alpha Beam fixture in the Fixture Type field and click the Create Single button to create 12 individual groups for the Alpha Beams. Now switch to the Presets tab, select the Alpha Beam fixtures, and press the Add Preset button. This will automatically generate many useful presets for the selected fixture. Using the Channel Pages tab, allocate the selected 100 dimmer channels to the channel faders with the Create menu button. Then close the Setup menu. With the channel page plus and minus keys, you can see our 100 dimmer channels mapped to several channel pages. With the fader page and channel page keys, you can switch back and forth between channel faders and executor faders. On screen 3, the presets we created for our moving lights are displayed under their respective categories. On screen 2, above the channel and fixture views, the created groups are displayed in the group window. So thanks for watching. Some final tips. For the newest software versions or any hardware information, please visit MA's website, malighting.com. If you're interested to attend an MA University course about the command wing or any of MA's products, contact your local distributor. You can find out more at malighting.com. So, hope I could help, and I wish you lots of fun with the new onPC command wing.